Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chandrakala and you are watching this video Learn English with Kala. Guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about confidence, because when it comes to talk in English language, that time we all think about confidence, and because of confidence we speak English confidently, and because of not having confidence we do not speak English. We do not start speaking in English language because of not having confidence. So I'm going to talk about the two things. First is unconfidence and second is confident. Earlier I was not having this much confidence as I have right now. Earlier I used to feel very shy when it came to talk in front of anyone. Even at my school I was not able to speak in English language in front of my student, as I had talked about it in my previous video. So what did I do? Because of that I have gained this much confidence. So make sure that you are going to watch this video completely, because from this video you are going to improve your confidence. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, if I talk about my unconfidence journey, so when I started my journey, so that time I was knowing everything, I had knowledge about everything, but I had no confidence, and because of that not having confidence I was blank. I was not thinking about speaking in English language. Yes, I was able to speak in English language in my mind, but when it came to talk in front of anyone, even in front of myself, so I was not able to talk in English language because I had no that much confidence. And one more thing that I want to say, that we do not feel confidence. Why? Because we do not try to do that work. Suppose that if I want to ride any bicycle, and I'm thinking that I'm not able to ride bicycle, so uh, wi- without starting that journey, without riding bicycle, I'm thinking that I have no confidence, I cannot do that. So our negativity just gives us unconfidence that you cannot do. If you are thinking that you cannot do, so definitely you cannot do. And because of this negativity we start feeling unconfidence. So this is the reason, because of that mostly people do not feel confident, even including me also. When I started, so that time I had knowledge about English, I was knowing everything, but I was not trying to speak in English language. That's why I had no confidence. Even if I talk about my one ancient when I was in school, so that time one in English subject, I think one question I was asked, that was in English language. I was knowing the answer, but I had no confidence. I was very shy. I was very fear girl that time. I was very introvert girl at that time. That's why I did not reply that question's answer. And because of that, I got to listen so many things from my teachers, because of not showing my performance, because of I did not perform well in front of them. Yeah, I was getting good marks in English language, I was very good in writing English, but I was not good at speaking. So that's why I was facing so many challenges in my earlier life. But when I started, when I thought that for speaking in English language we have to start speaking, we need to focus on speaking. If I have knowledge about anything, suppose that if I have knowledge about the cooking food, but I am not doing that work, I am not performing well in front of anyone, I am not cooking food in delicious way, or if I am not cooking very delicious food, so how can I make people realize that I am good at cooking? No, not at all. It is means we have to show, we have to perform well, we have to start performing whatever we know about that. So start speaking. If you are not feeling confident, so there is only one reason, that you are caring about people, that what people will think about you, and you are not starting your journey because of thinking that you have no confidence, or you are taking care of people, that what if I make any mistake in front of those, so that people will laugh at me, that people will make fun of me. Stop taking care about people, because when you care about people, so who will care about you? So care about you, because you are trying to speak in English language, it will happen, we will make mistake, we will not have confidence enough. So for gaining confidence, we are speaking in English language, you are trying to speak in English language, so start speaking for gaining confidence. And until you start, you will not feel confidence. As I had told you my journey, that I was very shy person in my school journey, in my school time. But when I started my journey, so in initial days, in 2023 I started this English language journey. So in 2023 I was not okay with this language. I was not means I was not feeling any relation with this English language. I was thinking that I'm learning another language. I cannot make any relationship while learning this language, and I cannot talk to anyone in this language while using this English language. But I have done that because I had the confidence. I had no confidence when I started. So I was thinking that I will not be able to talk with anyone in this language. So I was about to quit. I was thinking that let's stop this journey. I don't want to go ahead because I'm not able to do anything. Even I cannot do. I was thinking that I cannot talk to anyone in English language, and that's why I was not confident, and I was thinking about giving up. So stop thinking about it. Start doing your work, whatever you want to do. If you have no confidence, means you do not have experience of that work. Confidence means what? Our experience. If we have experience of speaking in English language, so automatically we will feel confident that yes, I have experience. Suppose that one example I want to give here, that if you want to do job in private school, government, if you want to become a teacher. Suppose that when you start your journey in initial days, if you want to work in any private school, so about what they ask, your experience, right? They will not see your confidence. They will see your confidence, but before that they will ask you about your experience. How many years experience do you have of teaching, first of all? And if you have confidence, so with sorry, if you have experience, so with confidence you will go to any school that I have experience and I am confident right now. Means confidence means your experience. If you have experience, so you will feel 100% confidence that yes, I have experience how to do that work. But if you do not have experience, so automatic you will feel that you cannot do that work because you will not have knowledge about that work. It is very easy for understanding. I hope that you are getting point whatever I'm telling you. And guys, just in the last of this video, and guys, just in the last of this video, I just want to say that if you are not confident, so start gaining experience. Try to speak English more and more, and when you speak you will get experience that where you are making mistake, where you are stucking, where you need to practice more. Until you start speaking, you cannot feel that you have confidence or you have experience. Confidence will come from your experience, and for gaining experience you will have to start that work. So start speaking in English language. There is only one way to boost your confidence. I cannot give you any medicine. I can only suggest you that please start speaking if you want to feel confident for speaking in English language. So there is only one medicine that you have to apply for always, and that is doing practice. Focus on practice, focus on your English speaking way, so that you could gain, and focus on taking experience. When you focus on taking experience, that time you will feel that I have taken this experience. Suppose that if you want to write any English page, suppose that if you have idea that how to write uh, uh, suppose that if you want to write about any topic, social media, I can say social media. If you want to write about social media, suppose that if you want to write about social media, so you will have to think about that yes, I have this much experience, so I'm able to write that. So you can easily write about that, right? And you can easily speak about that because you will have knowledge about that. So knowledge, experience, both are equal, and after that you will get confidence. So I hope that you got something from this video, how to do, how to gain confidence. I have explained that in very easy way, so I hope that you are getting my point. And in the last of this video I just want to say that start speaking in English language, and when you start, gradually you will feel confident. It is not very rocket science. You cannot get confidence when you are doing practice only for 1 day, 2 days, 3 days. you cannot feel confidence. It is your continuously work. You will have to focus on this continuously. You will have to work a lot, and after that gradually you will improve your confidence. Okay, so this was the video that I wanted, so this was the thought that I wanted to so this was the thing that I wanted to share, and I hope that you will definitely get benefit from this video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please like this video, because your one like gives me motivation to make this kind of videos. And I will meet you in the next video. If you like this video, so please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please like this video, because your one like gives me motivation to make this kind of videos. And I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.